What's up, guys? This is day 3 in the hospital. I've had the surgery that I posted about twice already, and when I got up this morning, they took a blood pressure reading, and it was 90/70.
96 over something higher was what you told me.
Yeah, so that's not good, and there's a bunch of blood or fluid that's pooling into the right side of my abdomen, and I'll post a video and stick it in here so that you can see that.
Enough. Okay, drop back down. And yeah, it's starting to even go underneath your umbilical area here.
And we don't know if there's a bleeding small vein in there, or it's fluid, or what it is, but it doesn't feel like it did the last time I had surgery. And the fluid gets hard, my abdomen feels hard, it's tender, to me it feels warm. Also, my blood work came back that my hemoglobin was lower than it was yesterday. That downward trend means that I'm losing blood, essentially. It might be appropriate. It might be something that happens when this is happening, and it'll flatten out and improve, but we don't know. Regardless, I'll be staying another night, and my pain level's still better. I'd say overall my pain level's better, but what really hurts is if I try to cough or hiccup or sneeze or even getting up. So if I just use the ab muscles, it really hurts. I've got a wonderful support system. My wife's holding the camera right now. She's here 24/7, and I haven't gone to the bathroom yet. I haven't pooped, and you guys know that's one of my most viewed videos. So I have taken the precautions. I've already had Miralax-like drink every day, stool softener tablet 2 days ago. This morning I drank milk with magnesia. All of my food has been whole foods, fibrous, so that I can get it down. So I'm hoping by tonight something happens, but it better just fall out, because I don't have the ability to push. It's just literally killing my whole stomach. When I go for walks, I think I've walked all the gas off, because I did have pain in my upper shoulders pretty bad, and even my kidneys felt sore, but they feel okay now, and the pain in my shoulders are gone. So I think the gas is gone, but I have to coddle my belly like this. I'm walking, and I put extra support, and I have a binder that's been on every day, and it's on pretty tight, and I have packets that have ice that have been put in there underneath the binder to try to help it, and I'm just doing everything I can. I've had a little bit of strong medication to get to sleep. And see, my chest is rattling. I'm gonna have to quit filming, have her help me sit up and actually cough, because I can't do it lying down. But I am still alive, and I'm gonna do everything the doctors suggest that we do. We're gonna have some more tests pulled here in about 30 minutes. We'll see where my blood work is at that point. But my blood pressure did stabilize after the morning. It came up to about 110/80 on average. So that's my update. I appreciate all the thoughts, prayers, and well wishes. See you guys next video.